Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. From virtual assistants to smart homes, AI is revolutionizing the way we live our lives. In this video, let's discuss how to use AI to improve your life and take advantage of the latest technology trends. Virtual assistants. One of the most popular ways to use AI is through virtual assistants. Virtual assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are becoming increasingly popular as they can perform a variety of tasks, such as setting reminders, scheduling appointments, and even ordering food. They can also provide real-time weather and traffic updates to help you plan your day. But virtual assistants can do much more than that. They can also help you manage your emails, create shopping lists, and control your smart home devices such as thermostats and lights. You can even ask them to tell you a joke or play your favorite audio. Virtual assistants are becoming increasingly smart and intuitive, allowing them to understand your preferences and adapt to your needs. For example, if you ask your virtual assistant to play some audio, it will automatically start playing audios based on your listening habits. So, it can be considered a boon to make life easier with AI. Smart home devices. Smart home devices are another great way to use AI to improve your life. These devices can help you control your home appliances and devices with just your voice. You can turn on and off lights, adjust the thermostat, and even lock and unlock doors. Smart home devices can also help you save money on your energy bills by automatically adjusting the temperature based on your preferences and the weather. They can even detect when you're away from home and turn off appliances to save energy. Smart home devices are becoming increasingly popular, and they come in a variety of forms, from smart thermostats to smart security cameras. They are easy to install and use, and they can make your home more comfortable, convenient, and secure. Fitness trackers. Fitness trackers are another great way to use AI to improve your life. These devices can help you track your exercise habits and stay healthy. They can track your steps, heart rate, and even your sleep patterns. By using a fitness tracker, you can set goals and monitor your progress towards a healthier lifestyle. Many fitness trackers come with apps that provide personalized coaching and suggestions for improving your health. Language learning apps. If you're looking to learn a new language, AI-powered language learning apps can be a great help. These apps use AI to help you learn a new language at your own pace. They can help you practice speaking, listening, and writing in a new language. AI-powered language learning apps can customize your learning experience based on your progress and preferences. They can also provide real-time feedback on your pronunciation and grammar, helping you improve your language skills quickly. Personal finance apps. Personal finance apps are another great way to use AI to improve your life. These apps can help you save money and invest wisely. They can help you track your spending, create a budget, and even invest your money based on your financial goals. AI-powered personal finance apps can provide personalized advice and suggestions for improving your finances. They can also provide real-time updates on your investments and help you make informed decisions about your money. Meditation apps. If you're looking to reduce stress and improve your mental health, AI-powered meditation apps can be a great help. These apps can guide you through meditation exercises and help you focus on your breathing and relaxation. AI-powered meditation apps can customize your meditation sessions based on your preferences and goals. They can also provide real-time feedback on your breathing and help you stay focused and relaxed. Self-driving and parking vehicles. Self-driving and parking vehicles are other great examples of how AI can improve our lives. These vehicles use deep learning, a subset of AI, to recognize and respond to the space around them. By using advanced sensors and algorithms, self-driving cars can navigate complex driving scenarios and park themselves with ease. One of the key benefits of self-driving cars is improved safety. Human error is responsible for the majority of car accidents, and self-driving cars have the potential to greatly reduce the number of accidents on our roads. Self-driving cars are designed to be more attentive and cautious than human drivers, with the ability to analyze and respond to road conditions in real time. They are also programmed to follow traffic rules and regulations, which can help reduce the incidence of reckless driving and speeding. Another benefit of self-driving cars is increased convenience. With a self-driving car, you can sit back and relax, while the car does the driving for you. This can be especially beneficial for long trips, as it allows you to rest or work while the car takes you to your destination. Self-driving cars can also have the potential to reduce traffic congestion and emissions. By optimizing driving patterns and reducing the number of cars on the road, self-driving cars can help reduce traffic congestion and improve air quality. Despite these benefits, self-driving cars still face a number of challenges before they become widely adopted. One of the biggest challenges is the need for regulatory frameworks to ensure the safety and reliability of self-driving cars. There are also concerns about the potential for job loss in industries such as transportation and delivery. Smart emails. Smart replies are powered by machine learning algorithms that analyze the content of an email to suggest appropriate responses. These algorithms take into account the tone and context of an email to provide personalized and relevant smart reply options. The use of smart replies in Gmail can help improve productivity and communication efficiency, as users can quickly respond to emails without spending time crafting a response. It also helps ensure that emails are responded to in a timely manner, which can be especially important for business communications. However, there are some potential downsides to using smart replies, such as the risk of miscommunication or the possibility of appearing impersonal or insincere in responses. It is important for users to carefully consider the context of an email and use their judgment when deciding whether to use a smart reply or a manual response. Google Maps using AI. Google Maps use machine learning algorithms to analyze traffic patterns and historical data to provide accurate and up-to-date directions. The algorithms take into account factors such as traffic congestion, road closures, accidents, and constructions to calculate the most efficient route to a destination. By using AI to analyze real-time data, Google Maps can also provide users with alternative routes in the event of unexpected traffic or road closures. This helps users save time and arrive at their destination as quickly as possible. In addition to providing directions, Google Maps also offers features such as turn-by-turn navigation, voice directions, and street view. These features are all powered by AI and machine learning algorithms that are designed to provide users with a seamless and intuitive navigation experience. Overall, the use of AI in maps and directions has greatly improved the accuracy and efficiency of navigation apps like Google Maps. Product recommendations. Product recommendations powered by AI have become an essential part of the online shopping experience. By analyzing user data such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and search queries, retailers like Amazon can use machine learning algorithms to suggest products that are most likely to appeal to individual users. These algorithms take into account a wide range of factors, such as product ratings, popularity, and user behavior to provide personalized product recommendations. For example, if a user frequently purchases books on cooking and baking, Amazon might recommend other books on these topics or kitchen gadgets that are popular among other users with similar interests. By providing personalized recommendations, online retailers can improve the shopping experience for users, helping them find products that they might not have otherwise discovered. This can also help increase sales for retailers, as users are more likely to purchase products that are tailored to their individual interests and preferences. Predictive searches. Google Predictive Searches, also known as autocomplete, is a feature that uses machine learning algorithms to predict and suggest search terms based on what the user has typed so far. As the user types, Google uses real-time data and algorithms to generate a list of search suggestions that are most likely to match what the user is searching for. The autocomplete feature takes into account a wide range of factors, such as the popularity of the search terms, recent searches by other users, and the user's search history. It can also provide additional context to help users refine their searches, such as by suggesting related search terms or offering common misspellings or alternate phrasings. This feature has greatly improved the search experience for users, making it faster and easier to find relevant information. By predicting what the user is searching for and offering suggestions in real time, Google has helped reduce the time and effort required to conduct searches. As machine learning technology continues to improve, we can expect to see even more advanced features and capabilities in the future, making it even easier for users to find the information they need. In a nutshell, AI is changing the way we live our lives, and it has the potential to improve our health, finances, and overall well-being. It's important to be aware of potential privacy and security concerns when using AI, but by taking steps to protect your personal information, you can safely take advantage of the benefits of this rapidly advancing technology. By embracing AI, you can improve your life and take advantage of the latest trends in technology. If you liked our video, hit the thumbs up. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Do not miss out on the upcoming interesting videos. See you soon.